Power on the laptop, and I will force it to stop by holding down the power button a few times. So let's wait until Windows loads. Yes, press and hold the power button and all the LEDs are off. Okay, now power it back on and do the same thing. When Windows starts to load, then press and hold the power button. Now press and hold. It's off. Power it back on and automatic repair. Okay, so if you force it to shut down while it's loading, then it's automatically trying to repair itself. And here we have advanced options. And from here, let's go here to troubleshoot. And let's try this one. Reset this PC. Keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows. Let's try that one. Keep my files. Removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. All ready to go. Make sure that your PC is plugged in, and it's not plugged in. Resetting will remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC. Change settings back to their defaults. Reinstall Windows without removing your personal files. Okay, so let's reset. Click on reset. Meanwhile, let's plug it in. 18%. The laptop restarted. Installing Windows 64%. Don't turn off your PC. Your PC will restart several times. Don't turn off your PC. Okay, and the browser was opened with this window. And there's a personal file, so not everything was deleted. Here's another one, removed apps. Let's see the contents. So these programs were removed from the computer. Let's see in File Explorer. Yes, personal folders are still here. So those were not removed. Let's see here in apps and features, the installed programs. So these are all Microsoft programs. Okay, now let's do another thing. Come here to power, and before clicking on restart, hold down the shift key on the keyboard. So press and hold shift. Okay, and now click on restart. And now we will have a menu, this one. Let's try troubleshoot. Reset this PC. And this time let's try remove everything. Laptop just restarted. Do you want to fully clean your drive? When you remove your files, you can also clean the drive so that the files can't be recovered easily. This is more secure, but it takes much longer. Just remove my files or fully clean the drive. Just remove. Use this if you recycle the PC. This can take several hours. Okay, so let's try the first one. Just remove my files. Reset this PC, all ready to go. Make sure that your PC is plugged in. It is. Resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC. any apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, any changes made to settings. Okay, so let's reset it. Okay, and after it was finalized and everything was deleted, now we have this on the screen. And let's check here in File Explorer. Now there are no recent items, and this PC, that's the hard drive. And now there are no personal files. We have this Windows old folder, which is small, only 300 kilobytes. Let's try to delete it. Yes, continue. Permission. It won't allow me. Okay, and there are no personal files anymore. And of course there are no applications installed other than which are inside Windows, installed by Microsoft. So no personal programs are in this list. Okay, so that's how to reset your Windows 10 machine.